Namaskar. I am Prashant, Participant Manager, Triple M India. Triple M India is an extraordinary concept or an idea conceived and created by Mr. Sergio Mavrodi, a brilliant mathematician. This is a kind of global mutual aid fund wherein the participants consent and agree to help the co-participants in return to get help by other participants. This is based on sharing. This is not an MLM investment plan or a get-rich scheme. Nothing is guaranteed here. Risk factor is always there. There is no company or an office out there. This is a system. One has to follow the rules and guidelines of the system. Let us analyze how the system works in short. For joining, Gmail ID is compulsory. No other email ID is entertained. You will receive a recovery mail in your email box. Click on to the enter new password, confirm new password, change it. Once you change the password, open tripleindia.in website. It is always better to open tripleindia.in site in Google Chrome. Log in into your virtual account. Enter your email ID and password. The first time when you log in, the system will ask for mobile number and the participant referrer name or email ID. Enter the mobile number, save it, and then enter the sponsor name. The sponsor name has to be entered within 7 days time. The system has got two aspects: provide help, get help. Click on provide help. Provide help is nothing but buying Mauro, and you are consenting to give help in this system by putting your funds into the system. Next, if you have bank account, you can click here. If you have no bank account for this system, for the first time, you can click here. Click that you have cash only. Click next. Select the bank from where you will deposit. It is always better to use your free or spare money to provide help. The provide help can be minimum of 5,000 and the maximum is 50,000. Tomorrow, if there is anything wrong, you may lose everything. It is better you are not worried about it. So use your spare money or free money. Select the plan here. Click next. Once you click next, then your buying Mauro is over. Request to give help is over. Your request to give help is displayed here. After that, you will get transfer order. There is no time frame for that. Once you got the transfer order, you have to deposit in the name of the person to whom the transfer order is given within the date given in the system, within the time frame given in the system. It may be, normally it is 3 days time. The display bank account, its mobile number, name will be given. If the bank account is not displayed, you can ask him to send the details over the message box. Always use this message box for sending message. First, you consent to make payment. Next, you have to make the deposit and upload the scanned copy in this system. Then confirm that you have deposited. the receiver will accept your deposit and he will confirm. Once he confirms, your Mauro is confirmed. Now you can go for, once your Mauro is confirmed and the release date is there, you can see your Mauro here. The growth of Mauro you can see over here. This section is for Mauro. Once your release date is over, you can go for get help. In the get help, you can enter the Mauro that is confirmed, and you can give the details of bank from where you want to get the funds. The orders will be issued to the other participants to effect deposits to your account. Once you receive the payment in your account, you can confirm that you have received it. Here in the participant section, you can see the team you have created in this system. You can see your referrals also, direct referrals. In the account section, you have system account and personal account. In the system account, you have to update your bank details. You can update it by adding here. You can update the bank details. In the system account, sometimes the funds will be allocated as storage. You cannot use that because it is, sometimes the system will issue orders to transfer to other participants. So when the system allows you to use it, then only you can use that fund. In the personal account, you enter your bank account for taking withdrawal. In one more section, that is my page, here update your personal details. Everything is here, and your 10 manager, 100 manager, everything is displayed here. So this system, for the smooth functioning of this system, total cooperation between participants is must. Let us have good cooperation between ourselves and work for the betterment of this plan. Long live Triple M.